Hello everyone. This is Dr. Poornima Srinivas from Hills Dental Design. I'm just going to wait for the live video. I don't think we're ready yet. Hello everyone. This is Dr. Poornima Srinivas from Hills Dental Design, where beautiful and healthy smiles begin. Last 2 weeks, we've been concentrating about teeth whitening. So we had talked about the home kit and we talked about the in-chair teeth whitening. I just want to go through what happens after the in-chair whitening, what to expect. So the post-op instructions, you've got to make sure you follow those instructions, and what to expect and how to maintain your pearly whites. So you've had the teeth whitening done in the chair. Remember, people do it for 2 reasons: where they are time poor, and the second reason is they want instant results. So say, for example, you've got a big event coming up and you want to have your teeth whitened straight away and you want to have that wow feeling. So you get your teeth whitening done, and what do you expect afterwards? So when you do go home, we will tell you, please have a couple of Panadols, because some people are really sensitive. So they end up getting sensitive teeth. So especially in the night, you get that zap-like feeling, that's just a sensation on the teeth, and it can be quite uncomfortable. So please take Panadol. And then what we ask you to do is to stay away from colored foods. So colored foods like coffee, tea, and wine, please stay away, especially for the first week. Now, if you are a coffee drinker and you can't be without drinking a coffee, please dilute it with milk as much as possible. The reason for that is your teeth has been whitened, so the enamel, it gets porous. And once it's porous, whatever stains, so if you have something like tea or coffee or red wine, immediately can stain the surface of the teeth, and those stains, so it's gone. What's the point of having teeth whitening then? Because immediately you will have that layer of, the red wine or the coffee stain straight away. So we just advise you to stay away. So even red pasta sauce, red curry. So the first 2 days, especially, even what you eat is very important. Make sure you don't eat any colored foods like pasta sauce or curry sauces. So just stay away. Anything steamed or anything white should be okay. And steamed vegetables are okay as well. The other thing to be mindful of is, please don't have anything too hot or too cold. If it is too hot or too cold and the temperature changes, you do that straight away, you can have increased sensitivity of your teeth. The next thing is, think about teeth whitening. Like when you shampoo your hair, you need to condition it, okay? Because the enamel, the surface is porous, and that needs to be coated. So it gets coated with your saliva. So that's the first thing. But afterwards, it can coat with some beautiful products. So if you do have sensitivity, do expect a little bit of sensitivity, even though you don't have sensitive teeth. That's to be expected. So please make sure you use some products. Now, in our practice, we do give you some products to take home with you, so you don't have to buy those products, at least temporarily. So one is a sensitive toothpaste. So if you are wanting to use Sensodyne, please use that. And also we may give you some tooth mousse. A tooth mousse product which looks like this. I don't know if you guys have used this product before. Now this product is really good because it's got magnesium, phosphate, and calcium, and it bathes the teeth. So basically it's like a conditioner, it coats the teeth. So we would want you to use it every day after the home kit, after the in-chair tooth whitening, or also use it in the trays for your regular home whitening as well. That really helps, coats the teeth and protects the teeth from further staining and also some sensitivity. So that's called the tooth mousse. The other product, as I said, is just any sensitive toothpaste. So here I've got like one of the sensitive toothpaste. Just get the camera right. So that's the Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief. We'll just give you a couple of little packs so that you can actually use it, especially during at least a week afterwards. Okay, so just making sure that it works for you. Now, what other things you need to look at? Now, also, please make sure you do not have any acidic drinks because you don't want to strip the enamel, which is a little bit susceptible right now. So, no acidic drinks, especially white wine. Please don't have that. And citrus juice, lime juices, please don't have that as well. So, just be careful and not have those acidic drinks straight away. Now, please remember, just because you whitened your teeth doesn't mean that it will not stain again. Because teeth whitening is to take the extrinsic stains off your teeth. It's all the lifestyle habits which we have which stains the teeth. So what we would advise is to do a correct brushing and flossing daily and to see us on a regular basis. So see a dentist at least every 6 months just to make sure you're keeping on top of your pearly whites. Now, depending on your lifestyle, we will then advise, we will give you a home kit. So personally, with every inch-end whitening, I give you a home kit regardless because you have to maintain it. The maintenance can be monthly or once a quarter, depending on your lifestyle. You just have to whiten your teeth once an hour and that's it, just to maintain it, and we will revisit that in the next 6 months. We definitely do not recommend whitening your teeth on a very regular basis, especially the inch-end teeth whitening, because it can lead to sensitivity of your teeth. So the home kit is okay, but even then it's a case-to-case basis, and we will advise you how often you need to use. And what are the things we're looking for? We're looking for the thickness of your enamel, your lifestyle habits, your oral hygiene habits as well. And I think that's it. I think I've given you a lot of information now. So I did 3 Facebook Lives on teeth whitening. So we talked about home kit whitening, we talked about take home, the in-chair whitening, and we talked about post-op and maintenance as well. I hope you like this video. This is Dr. Poornima Srinivas from Hills Dental Design, where beautiful and healthy smiles begin. Now, if you have any questions about teeth whitening or any other questions, feel free to call the practice at 948